apologize for saying it was just an opportunity. That was pretty ugly.
Yeah, that was only half serious about it. Teal wanted to be.
Well, at least I had 50-50 chance, right?
You were probably gonna be real happy to get
Yes,
Hi, Blackjack.
Yeah, we're not engaged anymore.
Blackjack.
You remember?
Yeah.
You're so black.
It was more like Dad trying to get us together.
Why do you want to do that?
And there's Buster.
Probably because he was so happy with my mom.
France had gone before with the violet chocolate.
The chocolate one?
The chocolate cake.
Matthew.
Good, so then I'll put in that order today.
Yeah.
How was Fran?
She's good. She's good.